Hello viewers and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing about 4 of India's ancient mysteries. First one is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose disappearance. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's death is still shrouded in secrecy, and the various conspiracy theories around it make it even more mysterious. What happened after Netaji's flight took off from Taipei to Tokyo? This has been one of the greatest mysteries of free India. A few years after Bose's disappearance, there was a speculation that he had returned to India and was living in disguise as a sadhu in North India. Although no such claim could ever be substantiated, the theory resurfaced with the news about Gunami Baba, a revered saint of Faizabad in Uttar Pradesh, who many people believe was Bose himself. The second mystery is Mir Ozam Ali's treasure trove. Mir Ozam Ali, the last and the seventh Nizam of Asaf Jah dynasty of Hyderabad, famous for his idiosyncrasies, was also known for a stunning collection of jewelry and legendary treasure. Time magazine called him the richest man in the world in 1937, and he is widely believed to have been the richest Indian ever. His fabulous personal wealth and most of the famous Nizam jewelry were never recovered after his death. So much of jewels, which made him the richest person in 1937 and the richest man in India, has now gone missing. This is a great mystery surrounding Hyderabad. The third mystery of India is the alien rock paintings of Charama. Puzzling ancient rock paintings have been found in the caves near the town of Charama in the tribal coastal region of Chhattisgarh. Archaeologist J.R. Bhagat, who discovered them, says they depict eerie humanoids with no facial features and other paintings or flying discs. Interestingly, nearby villages have several legends of small Rohilla people who used to come from the sky in a round-shaped object and abduct or kidnap one or two villagers. The Chhattisgarh Department of Archaeology and Culture had asked the Indian Space Research Organization and the US Space Energy (NASA) to help research these compelling finds. The most ancient mystery of India is number 4: disappearance of the Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization is perhaps India's most ancient mystery. There are many unanswered questions about this great civilization that was larger than the ancient Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilization combined. The secrets behind the identity of the people who created it and their puzzling 4,000-year-old Indus pictographic script are yet to be discovered. Also, perhaps the most bewildering fact about this situation is that all major sites went into sudden decline and disappeared more or less simultaneously. Even though there are several theories like the floods of the Indus rivers, or earthquakes or other natural calamities, or the decline due to the invasion of the Aryans, none of them can be substantiated and none of them have been very conclusive. What do you think these mysteries answers could be? Comment down below. Thank you.